Welcome back, dear friends. In today's video, we'll be creating this delicate lace style necklace made entirely from seed beads. Its intricate pattern may look complex, but with a little patience and rhythm, you'll find the process wonderfully relaxing. One of the joys of working with seed beads is the creativity that comes from having plenty of colors to play with. When you have a whole collection of beads, pieces like this truly come to life. You can experiment freely, make bold choices, or lean into soft, elegant palettes. And speaking of colors, here's the bottle of the shade I have chosen for this necklace. There's something so satisfying about seeing a full bottle of beads. You instantly feel inspired and ready to start crafting. So gather your favorite colors, get comfortable, and let's start beading this beautiful necklace together. I'm starting with 11 seed beads and the clasp. Go through all of them once again, and now you can tie a couple of knots. And now I will go through the clasp and 6 seed beads. Now my thread is at the middle seed bead, 5 seed beads on both sides. Now you can trim this starting tail, and I have taken another set of 11 seed beads. Go through the next 3 seed beads. Pick 3 seed beads and go through this one seed bead. Go through the next 3 seed beads pull the thread tightly so everything is in the right position. Here I have again taken 11 seed beads. Go through this one seed bead and now go through the next 3 seed beads. Pick 3 seed beads to make a picot over here, and now go through the next seed beads. Now go through all of these seed beads and exit from the third seed bead of the new loop. These are the 3 seed beads of the new loop. Pick 3 seed beads and make a picot over here and go through the next 3 seed beads. So in total I am going through 4 seed beads. Add 11 seed beads to this one seed bead and then go through the next 3 seed beads also. So again I have gone through 4 seed beads. Add 3 seed beads here and now going through the seed beads as we had previously done. Go through all of these to the new loop, the third seed bead over here, and then you can start making the picot and continue like that. I have completed the length of the necklace. You can choose a length as you like. And now I am going to add the extension chain. Here I have gone through 4 seed beads. Add 3 seed beads over here and move further. Now I'm going through all of the seed beads once again and I will reinforce the loop where I have added the extension chain. Go through this loop once again and now go around this loop and now go up through these 2 seed beads. This is the place where we have to be. And now we will start the final row. Pick 4 seed beads and go through the top seed bead of the picot. Again pick 4 seed beads and go through the next seed bead like this. With 4 seed beads, we will be connecting the picots. This will give a curved shape to the necklace. So continue adding 4 seed beads to the other end. Now this is the last set of 4 seed beads and we have almost completed the necklace. But before that, go through this 1 seed bead once again. This is my way of securing the line of 4 seed beads that we have added. You can also make a knot over here, but I prefer this. And now go through some seed beads. Make a couple of knots and finally go through some more seed beads, and then you will be okay with cutting the tail. Trim the thread, and that's it. Your beautiful lace necklace is ready. Simple and elegant. You can use a color of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye and take care.